Meta went proprietary. Microsoft dumped OpenAI. An AI model helped build its own replacement. 70 stories. Clock's running. Meta is shifting to mostly closed AI models under Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang's leadership. Meta launched Muse Spark, its first proprietary AI model focusing on image and video processing. Microsoft unveiled 3 in-house AI models generating text, voice, and images, signaling AI independence from OpenAI. OpenAI released a model it says was instrumental in creating itself, targeting AGI within 6 months. Google DeepMind's Gemma 4 fits entirely on a single 80GB NVIDIA H100 GPU. OpenAI and Anthropic are preparing potentially record-breaking IPOs, despite massive AI training costs. Palo Alto VC firm Eclipse secured $1.3 billion to back physical AI startups. AI investments pushed U.S. venture capital deal value to $267.2 billion in Q1 2026. OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google are collaborating to stop Chinese competitors from extracting their AI model outputs. Anthropic is considering designing its own AI chips to power the Claude chatbot. Cursor 3 replaces the traditional code editor with an AI agent management console. Anthropic's Claude Mythos preview is too dangerous to release publicly due to exceptional cybersecurity attack capabilities. Agentic AI raised $13.2 billion across 1,311 deals in 2,200. Anthropic's AI agents for legal tasks triggered a sharp sell-off in legal tech stocks. NVIDIA is investing $2 billion in Marvell technology to develop custom AI networking chips. YouTube's new AI avatar tool lets creators clone themselves for YouTube Shorts content. Meta's AI agents automated 2 days of work across 4 repositories and 4,100 files. RC, a 26-person startup, built a 400 billion parameter open-source model on a $20 million budget. AI coding tools drove an 84% surge in new App Store submissions. Databricks co-founder Matej Zaharia won the ACM prize and declared AGI is already here. Developers report AI coding tools like Claude Code are degrading their core programming skills. Ruby on Rails creator says senior developers are best positioned to leverage AI coding agents. OpenAI's Codex autonomously figured out how to batch process Adobe software operations without human instruction. Developers' primary value is shifting from writing code to supervising AI agents that write it. Digital health startups raised $4 billion in Q1 2026, the highest average deal size since 2021. U.S. investors provided 73% of capital for European AI funding rounds, over $100 million. AI startups are charging for outcomes instead of usage, raising $12.2 billion in VC funding. Early-stage AI startups are now securing seed rounds at valuations reaching $45 million. OpenAI introduced a new ChatGPT tier targeting users with heavy professional coding needs. Corti's clinical AI system caught 3 times more suicide attempts than standard screening methods. CoreWeave's NVIDIA Grace Blackwell infrastructure leads MLPerf v6, doubling inference performance benchmarks. AMD's Instinct MI3 55X achieved 80 to 90% of NVIDIA's B300 GPU performance in benchmarks. Siemens and NVIDIA unveiled an AI chip verification solution capable of trillions of cycles in days. GPU prices have jumped sharply this year as AI demand continues to surge, says Silicon Data CEO. NVIDIA H100 GPU prices surged 40% as new chips failed to meet insatiable AI demand. Researchers demonstrated rowhammer attacks exploiting GDDR6 memory vulnerabilities in NVIDIA RTX 3060 and A600 GPUs. Microsoft AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman says the company lacks computing power for its largest AI ambitions. AI design platform Pixart is launching a creator monetization program paying users for their content. Atlassian launched Remix and AI agents in Confluence to turn data into visual assets and apps. At the HumanX AI conference, vendors reported using Claude extensively for agentic business applications. Agentic AI is merging travel, research, planning, and reservations into one conversational booking process. Meta's Muse Spark merges social media history with real-time visuals to transform travel discovery. Legal sectors adopting agentic AI face significant oversight and ethical challenges, with only 20% governance coverage. Heavy AI bets on mega-cap tech stocks are raising investor doubts amid recent market declines. AI companies are now offering digital workers as a service, automating repetitive tasks across every industry. New York State is expanding AI training to over 100,000 government employees after a successful pilot. AI adoption in manufacturing will hit a critical inflection point in 2020, transforming efficiency and productivity. Huntington Ingalls partnered with Gray Matter Robotics to integrate AI and robotics into U.S. shipbuilding. Microsoft's Agent Framework 1.0 unified two incompatible SDKs but left developers confused compared to simpler rivals. Variance raised $21.5 million in Series A to build an AI risk intelligence platform. London-based Trent AI raised $13 million to launch a multi-agent enterprise security platform. Irish drone startup Mana secured Series B funding from ARK Invest to challenge Alphabet's Wing. Generalists Gen 1 gloves let robots learn complex tasks like folding laundry by mimicking human hands. Vitria's autonomous knowledge plane achieves over 95% incident resolution in network operations. Five9 integrated Assembled's workforce management tools to boost its multi-agent customer service strategies. Sevi won multiple Global InfoSec awards at RSAC 2002 Eyes for its autonomous AI defense platform. A college student successfully dismantled a significant botnet, highlighting young talent in cybersecurity. Cluely's CEO admitted to fabricating the company's annual recurring revenue, claiming it doubled to $7 million. AI sales startup Monaco organized a $200,000 poker event, offering $100,000 in prizes to tech founders. Self Labs acquired AI firm Loam to enhance its identity verification solutions with advanced AI capabilities. Oracle NetSuite expanded its AI connector service, letting businesses integrate AI models directly with NetSuite data. Artifact's Omni platform lets users automate complex accounting workflows using plain language commands. Paris-based Standing Ovation raised €30 million, while Luxembourg's TerraSpark secured over €5 million pre-seed. Fremantle unveiled Art Awakens, its first native AI production from its Imagine Studios AI unit. Experts are stressing transparency and human oversight in agentic AI used for media planning decisions. Mo Godot's 2020 forecasts about AI surpassing human intelligence and causing disruption are now being realized. Marketing expert Mark Ritson called Apple's Siri a moron, citing its lag behind rival AI assistants. Zhejiang University found AI models excel at concrete concepts, but struggle with abstract understanding as parameters grow. Generative AI can now process large qualitative customer research datasets far faster than human analysts. Educators argue Bloom's taxonomy must be updated as AI tools allow students to outsource thinking entirely. Meta went proprietary. Microsoft went solo. OpenAI went recursive. AI is consolidating fast. Subscribe. Next Sunday will be just as fast.